In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PMP to LinkedIn. If you've recently earned your Project Management Professional certification, adding it to your LinkedIn profile is a great way to showcase your credential clearly and professionally. It helps recruiters, employers, and connections quickly see your qualification, and it can also strengthen your credibility in project management roles. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile page. Once you're there, look for the option that says Add Profile section. This is where LinkedIn lets you expand your profile with achievements, qualifications, and other professional details. Click on that option to open the available categories. From the menu, select Licenses and Certifications. This is the correct section for a professional certification like PMP, and using the right section makes your profile more organized and easier for others to review. When the form opens, start with the certification name. In the license or certification name field, type Project Management Professional, followed by PMP if you want it to appear exactly as commonly recognized. This ensures your credential is easy to identify and searchable by people viewing your profile. Next, go to the Issuing Organization field. Here, select Project Management Institute, also known as PMI. It's important to choose the official organization so the certification is displayed accurately and linked to the correct issuer. After that, fill in the issue date and expiration date based on the information shown on your official certificate. Be careful to enter these dates correctly, since they confirm when your certification became valid and, if applicable, when it needs renewal. Accurate dates help keep your profile professional and trustworthy. Then, in the Credential ID field, enter your unique PMP certification number. This provides an additional layer of authenticity and can be useful for verification. Make sure you copy it exactly as it appears on your official certification record. In the Credential URL field, paste the direct verification link for your PMP credential. This is often available through your PMI profile or your Credential badge page. Using a direct verification link allows anyone viewing your profile to confirm that the certification is valid, which can make a strong impression. Before saving, take a moment to review all the details for accuracy. Check the spelling, confirm the dates, and make sure the credential number and verification link are correct. Once everything looks good, save the certification to your profile. That's it. Your PMP certification will now appear in the Licenses and Certifications section of your LinkedIn profile, making it easier for others to recognize your achievement and verify your professional qualification.